In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Photos cloud storage. If you want to make sure your photos and videos are safely stored in the cloud and easy to access later, Google Photos makes that process very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to turn on backup, choose the right storage quality, and then check how much cloud storage you're using so you can manage it more effectively. To begin, open the Google Photos app on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, tap your profile picture in the top corner, then go to Photos Settings. From there, look for the backup option and turn it on. This is the setting that allows your photos and videos to upload to Google Photos cloud storage automatically. If backup is off, your files may stay only on your device, so enabling this is the key first step. It's also a good idea to make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi if you're backing up a lot of media, especially videos, since uploads can take some time. Next, take a moment to manage the backup quality. In the backup settings, you'll be able to choose between storage saver and original quality. Storage saver reduces file size, which helps save space, and is usually the better option if you want to store more photos for longer. Original quality keeps your files in their full original resolution, but those uploads count against the storage available in your Google account, which is typically limited. This choice depends on what matters more to you, maximizing storage space or preserving every detail of the original file. If you mostly want convenient cloud access and everyday photo storage, Storage Saver is often the most practical choice. After that, it's helpful to check how much storage you're actually using. On a desktop computer, go to your Google Photos account and look at the bottom left corner for the storage section. Click it to open a breakdown of your storage usage. This lets you see how much space your photos and videos are taking up. You can also use the cleanup tool available there to remove large files or duplicates that may be using unnecessary space. This is especially useful if your storage is getting close to full, because it helps you free up room without having to search manually through your library. Once these settings are in place, you'll have a much better handle on your Google Photos cloud storage. Your files can back up automatically, your quality settings will match your needs, and you'll know exactly where to go to monitor and clean up your storage whenever needed.